In the meantime, while the country awaits a formal announcement of the reopening of the entertainment sector, promoters have begun advertising dates for upcoming events. Anthony Lugg has our story.
Life as we knew it pre-pandemic is slowly returning to normal, with the government insisting that the days of lockdowns are over.
Go and get vaccinated. Argument done.
There's one sector which has been waiting in the wings for a full comeback: entertainment, and anticipation has been growing for an announcement. Venues like the Mass Camp here in Kingston are expected to be booming should Prime Minister Andrew Holness relax the COVID-19 measures and reopen the entertainment sector. It's early days yet, but it's left to see how things will unfold. Some of the island's biggest promoters are wasting no time publishing dates of upcoming events. Among them, the controversial Mocha Fest, which was held last year in the heights of the pandemic. The event sparked outrage among Jamaicans who blasted the government for double standard. This year's staging is set for May 25 to 31. Another controversial event was Dream Weekend. That's now set for July 29 to August 1. The promoters also received backlash last August after videos circulated showing breaches of COVID protocols. After hosting virtual concerts since the pandemic, the promoters of Reggae Sumfest are looking forward to hosting patrons again July 21 to 23. But before all those events on the calendar, I Love Soca April 18. The event's CEO Andrew Bellamy says stakeholders are enthused.
Everybody is actually looking forward to the big announcement, with the hope that it's favorable and it's sustainable and it's a model that can allow us to operate in a profitable manner.
In the absence of the Prime Minister's announcement, illegal parties have been widespread. It's hoped, however, that some new parameters will be set, creating room for more order in the sector. In the midst of it all, some public health experts have warned against it. However, public health specialist Dr. Alveston Bailey believes the industry could reopen safely, but on a phased basis.
Initially, let us consider offering special entertainment events. These should be opened only to the vaccinated and those who are COVID negative, 24 hours before the event. Entertainment venues should be outdoors, and the venue should be able to accommodate enough individuals to avoid overcrowding.
The government has been considering an event calendar for the fully vaccinated, but it's still not clear whether that proposal will be scrapped. We put the issue of vaccine mandate for patrons to Andrew Bellamy.
Ideally, I'd love that we're able to move forward and it's just open to everybody, but I'll allow the government to make a decision. But with 660,000 people fully vaccinated, I think there's more than enough people who can attend a fully vaxxed event. If we're allowed to now proceed without that, we can still accommodate the full gamut of a crowd, and put in all of the protocols and safety measures in place.
And we also sought reactions from the public.
We have been locked down for about 2 years now, and as Jamaicans we like to socialize, so we are looking forward to that and we are very excited for the opening.
So I won't be going to these parties.
Why not?
Because I don't usually go to these parties.
Long time we don't go like an official party, like an actual, not like party or hide, like actual party where people know about and can actually attend.
Anthony Lugg, TVJ News.
In the meantime, opposition leader Mark Golding is supporting the call for a full reopening of the entertainment sector. He was speaking today at a post-budget debate press conference. Mr. Golding was concerned about a double standard in the granting of permission for entertainment events, even as the disaster risk management order remains in place.
Just fix it now, remove the order, and let the entertainment industry get back into full gear, subject to public education, public relations, to continue to encourage until we're really fully out of the COVID threat, persons to behave responsibly when it comes to interactions with other persons, proper distancing, etc. But what I do not like is a system where the law is being applied differently, depending on who you know and who is attending the event. We need to get away from that.